Alrighty. Well, if y'all haven't noticed, we haven't recorded any videos in a while. There's a reason for that. One is my wife Lauren has diverticulitis, and here comes a damn plane. And she was in the hospital for about a week. And hold on a second while the plane goes over. Pain in my ass. So anyway, she was in the hospital for about a week. Our daughter is having a baby, our oldest daughter, and we had a baby shower, and luckily she was able to make that. Didn't feel too well while she did it, but she was able to make it. And then we had reservations at a state park here in Florida, Lake Griffin State Park, and I've made reservations at this place 4 times. Haven't been able to make it, and we didn't make it this time either. We have another video that we'll be posting on that. So things have been a little difficult, just because of life, things happening. So basically, we took we'll have a video on these Westlake China bombs coming up that we'll be showing you as well. We experienced that. But anyway, Westlake China bombs, they're real. If you have them, watch a video we're going to post on that, and you might want to get them off your vehicle. They are garbage. I don't care what anybody says. But what we did do is we have been, for most of you that know, we've been towing with our half-ton truck, white knuckling it at times with our camper, and we got rid of that, or we kept our half-ton truck. We still have it, but we got something new. We've upgraded to a new 3/4 ton truck, and with all the bells and whistles. So here's the new truck. It is a Dodge Laramie, and she 4x4 Cummins diesel, and drives nice. Of course, gas is expensive as hell, but drives very, very nice. We I don't know if you can see it or not, but we got the 12-inch screen, the leather, still actually have the tags on it. She only has 16 miles, but we're looking forward to towing our camper with this thing. Drives really nice. I'm actually really surprised for it being a 3/4 ton truck, 4-wheel drive, diesel, the whole damn 9 yards. Really surprised at how comfortable it is. I mean, when we do hit some bumps, it'll shake you around a little bit, but overall, pretty nice. Drives really comfortable. So some of these long trips will be much easier. So we're looking forward to it, and looking forward to seeing how she tows. But anyway, we wanted to share that with you. Lauren's doing well. She does have to have surgery for her diverticulitis at the end of July here, so we're going to be dealing with that. But we do have quite a bit of videos to get out to you guys to make up for some of the lost time. We do apologize. Thank you for those of you that reached out wanting to know what was going on. But that was it. So we're going to release this little short video for you, so you kind of got an update on what's happening, and got quite a bit of reviews and things to do as well for you. So, but as always, thank you for watching, and thank you for being a part of the RV Cavalry.